Now the second station. Jesus is given a cross. We adore thee, O Christ, we praise thee, because thy holy cross thou hast redeemed the world. Consider that Jesus, in making this journey with the cross on his shoulders, thought of us and offered for us to his Father the death that he was about to undergo. My most beloved Jesus, I embrace all the tribulations that thou hast destined for me until death. I beseech thee, by the merits of the pain thou didst suffer in carrying thy cross, to give me the necessary help to carry mine with perfect patience and resignation. I love thee, Jesus, my love. I repent for having offended thee. Never permit me to separate myself from thee again. I grant that I may love thee always, and then do with me what thou wilt.